Well, it looks like Bitnex is still around, ladies and gentlemen. It's still rolling, still paying me out withdrawals specifically. I'm waiting for one of my first main withdrawals to come out. Let's check my actual withdrawal activity here. The overview, I think I just received this about 3 days ago. Did it on May 7th, 2026. It is now May 13th, 2026. I received it actually on the 10th. So it took them about 3 days for this one. Some people in the comments or in emails have been telling me that they have been taking them a little bit longer. But it seems to be rolling pretty well. Now, as far as the commentary or the emails that I've been getting on the portfolio and the adjustments, I've submitted support requests as well. You don't have to sit there and email me and ask me, well, all these questions, because they don't answer me sometimes either. I think it's been that way with this platform for quite a while. And yes, this platform has been performing for me. It may be negative for you guys, depending on how many contracts you have. I can't tell you that statistic exactly. But what I can say is that I still have these DeFi contracts right here, as you can see. And they say that they're still active. There are none that are failed. And I do have a balance here. So someone's buying contracts somewhere, some way, somehow. And as you can see, I have a total number of referrals here. So it is working out for me pretty well. If you are looking at Bitnex and going, I want some answers, you can click on support and maybe they'll comment, maybe they won't. They've got all the FAQs right here as well. And what is Bitnex? Is Bitnex a bank? Their philosophy? What is Masternode? I know this comes probably from Cryptex, but what are the monthly costs? There are no monthly costs. How can I earn with Bitnex referral program? Earning with Bitnex referral program is an easy ABC. Simply recommend and convince people to join Bitnex. That's all it really is. Okay. And how are my referrals tracked? All kinds of questions in there that they'll answer. So they obviously don't want to really say too much in the sport, which is probably understandable. But I will say that this platform is still working for me. The Bitnex wallet is still working. All the bells and whistles except for a few places like contracts is not identifiable at this point for whatever reason. But I definitely feel that I don't know if this platform's seen better days or not. It's still here for whatever reason, and they're still paying me out. And I'm just anticipating a payout very, very soon. So click on the link in the description below if you decide that you want to get started with Bitnex. If you don't, that's fine. No big deal. These are just Bitcoin DeFi contracts. And we hope that they're going to pay out like they consistently say that they will, and how that they've done it. So click on the link in the description below, and I will see you in the next video.